There are two things most people know about their credit score. One, that you need to have one, and two, that it needs to be good. Your credit score is important because it's going to let lenders know that they can trust you to repay a loan. This number will help them decide not only how much money to give you, but also how much interest you'll pay. Investing time and having a strong FICO credit score will give you more opportunities and maybe even save you money in the long run. If that all sounds a little daunting, you're in the right place. I'm going to help you set yourself up for the perfect credit score in 90 seconds. Your score is made up of 5 main factors: payment history, amount owed, length of credit history, frequency of new credit, and types of credit used. Knowing this is going to be integral to you having the power to impact and grow your score. Here are some ways to set yourself up for success. Number 1, check your score and check it often. Your score doesn't have to be a secret. There are so many resources that'll help you get the information you need quickly and easily. Number 2, make your payments on time. Autopay is going to be your best friend and will ensure you don't accidentally miss a payment. Number 3, keep your credit utilization low. You want to have a large percentage of available credit, but only use a portion of it. It's okay to have multiple lines of credit, but make sure you're not maxing out your credit cards every month. The last piece of advice I can give you is to have a good mix of credit. Now, that doesn't mean you should run out and open up a bunch of new accounts at once, but you should be aware that having fewer types of accounts might prevent you from getting that perfect score. That's all the how-to I have for you today. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see a video on another topic. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for all things personal finance.